Welcome to this tutorial on how to do a limit order on Uphold. A comprehensive guide that will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, it is essential to understand what a limit order is. A limit order is an instruction to buy or sell a specific asset at a predetermined price, allowing you to control the price at which your transaction is executed. First, log into your Uphold account and navigate to the trading section. Here, you will see a list of available assets, including cryptocurrencies, commodities, and fiat currencies. Select the asset you wish to trade and click on it to open the trading interface. Next, choose the type of order you want to place. In this case, a limit order. You will be prompted to enter the price at which you want to buy or sell the asset. This is the limit price, and it is crucial to set it correctly, as the transaction will only be executed at this price or better. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin at $30,000, you would set the limit price to $30,000. If the current market price is higher, the order will not be executed until the price drops to $30,000 or lower. Once you have set the limit price, you need to specify the amount of the asset you want to buy or sell. You can enter the amount in terms of the asset itself or in terms of the fiat currency you are using to fund the transaction. After setting the limit price and amount, review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct. Check the limit price, the amount, and the asset you are trading. If everything is in order, confirm the transaction, and the limit order will be placed. It is essential to note that limit orders are not guaranteed to be executed, as the market price may never reach the limit price. However, they provide a level of control and flexibility that can be beneficial in certain market conditions. In conclusion, placing a limit order on Uphold is a straightforward process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can use limit orders to manage your risk and achieve your trading goals. Remember to always review your orders carefully and stay informed about market conditions to get the most out of your trading experience.